If you are ready to diversify your income, affiliate marketing might be right for you. Affiliate marketing is simply when you promote a product or a service, send people that way, they make a purchase, and you get paid from the person providing the service. Even real estate agent referrals from one real estate agent to another real estate agent is a form of affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing through influence, through paid ads, through search engine marketing, through Pinterest, through YouTube product reviews. This website, my newest website, the7thstream.com, is here for beginning affiliate marketers. Step by step, I walk you through the affiliate channels, how to get started with affiliate marketing, amazing affiliate marketing programs, and so much more. We're just getting started, so come on over to the7thstream.com, follow along, and grow your affiliate marketing business.